Introducing the most beautiful cat in the world. Cubby. Princess. Stop bathing on camera. Anyway, this is Cubby. She's my 9-year-old, something cat. Don't know who her parents were. Well, we used to know her mom, but not anymore. Cubby is also known as Princess and Princess Puddles because she drools a bucket. And she has a brother, and there's a dog that lives in the house that she hates, and she eats a lot. But as you can see, she's not very fat anymore because of, like, that right there, the flabby skin. Flabby skinned kitty. She lost weight. You did. You're a good girl. And this is her domain. My bed. She thinks it's hers. And yeah, that is Cubby.